Okay, I just received this replacement unit for keyboard. So let me just check it. Okay, it is sealed here properly and it is sealed here as well. Okay, so I'm just opening this. It's not open from anywhere. See, it's still sealed. Something is, I don't know, someone has looked inside from here, I guess, but it's not open. There is no way keyboard is exposed, or I must have opened it earlier. See, everything is intact. Flipkart seal. Now I'm opening this. I just got the seal, and inside is the keyboard. This is the condition of keyboard. Looks fine to me. See, the seal is broken. Okay, the seal is clearly broken here, as you can see. This is not new piece again. Okay, let's find out what's inside, because last time my experience was very bad. They had sent me a used piece. Okay, so let me open this. Sorry, I'm handling this with my one hand, so okay, box looks fine. Okay, this time they have sealed it from inside, so let's open this. Okay, again I can clearly say that it has been opened. But let's figure out whether it is a used piece or not. That is important. If it has been opened just for checking that, then it is fine. But as last time there was a scratch on it, let's figure out this time. Is there any scratch or something? Okay, can't see any scratch this time. Main is rubber padding. Okay, this is also used piece, as you can see. If you can see this rubber padding is used here. Okay, so someone must have kept this on the table, then only this rubber padding is see, so many fingerprints. So you don't expect this if you buy 13,000 worth of keyboard. So this is what Flipkart is providing you. This is the unboxing experience you get if you purchase from Flipkart. At least for me, I don't know about others. So this is not what you expect when you purchase such a premium item. Okay, can you see all the fingerprints or marks here? Okay, even if you ignore those fingerprint marks, what do you say about these? And this is, look at the rubber, it's all worn out. It's like someone must have used it, kept it on the table for long, at least for a week or something, if not more than that. See, I don't know whether it is visible in the video, but so this is a 13,000 rupees keyboard of Logitech MX keys, which I purchased from Flipkart. And Flipkart, first time they sent me a keyboard which had scratch here. Okay, right here there were scratches, big scratch, not a small one, a big scratch on front. and very similar condition at the back, and they refused to return it. After a lot of discussion and all, they finally replaced it, but again they sent me the keyboard, which is, I can clearly say, is not, brand new. It is somehow used by someone for a few weeks, it seems. Very disappointing from Flipkart.